Yo, 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 what's up, guys? Damn, what's this overlays thing doing over there? That's not the one we wanted. What? How you doing, everybody? Sick day for Bitcoin. Welcome back to the cave. You're Cyber Grinder, and I look like I'm sick. Ah, that's a lot better. A lot of yellow in that picture. Yo, let's see if Wizik is there as well. Wizik, say something in chat or something else. And I'm just gonna hide that overlay for the second. Hang on until we fix that. Just logo text. Where did we put that in the other day? Crypto ticker, the cave. Huh. Where did we put in that overlay the last time, guys? Frame intro. What? Ah, there it is. Okay, we don't need that right now. What we need is the Bitcoin chart, guys. We need the Bitcoin chart. Boo! I'll be right back on Discord, bro. Crazy day for Bitcoin. Crazy 2 days for Bitcoin. Why do I not see my brave thingy there? Yo, I digged up this old picture. You probably know, bro. Who came up with that picture? Because that's very old. I found it on my Dropbox just now. That's like really old. Anyway, let me enable Discord again. I muted that a minute ago. What's happening? CBAT. Who the heck is CBAT? Never heard of CBAT. If you're a US stocks type of person, follow this account. It's rather good. Ah, okay. Yeah, I'm back on Discord. Mickey should be there as well. Wizik is going to be joining us in chat today. Anybody else on Discord, if you want to join us for a little bit hangout on Discord, jump on Discord, jump into the chit chat voice channel. Here we are, hanging out at the cave, watching the reckoning.
Yeah, that will be Twitter account is fucking epic. That a friend of mine trades US stocks quite a lot, and he found that account recently, and he says it's remarkable. She's good, very good. So keep an eye on it. Don't do your own research, as they say, but keep an eye on it. It's
Oh,
been
definitely
coming up
will.
with
Definitely will. And for those wondering what we're talking about, Vizik just sent me this link here on Discord. Give me just a second there. I'll bring it up. I just want to look at Bitcoin because I just rebought spot. I just got re-entered into spot, $20 below the sell earlier on. It's not happening. They're probably gonna bounce this again though. They definitely sent a signal there. I'm still waiting. Let me fix my camera. We have enough light for not needing the laggy mode for the night mode.
27 minutes to go, man.
Yeah, they got plenty of time to go here. Low light. Let's turn that off. Turn that up. Really? That's a lot better though. I'm so in for a new camera.
It's really thin on the buy side on CoinFloor, but they don't have the biggest liquidity, despite what they say.
I actually thought they're gonna top there, but that even works better for me. If they were chew their way up another $150 or something, I can just sell this again. I prefer to sell like at close as possible to 39k here. So let's see. 38.5 works. I know exactly what I'm gonna be doing here today. I'm gonna be jumping in and out of that order.
$70 ATH.
I think they gotta go down here a bit. I don't know where I want to get that money from. 38. Let's sell this again. 38,450. Let's do this again. I'm just selling $600, like. I'm still pretty sure they're gonna.
It's just such high risk selling at the moment.
Yeah, the thing is, obviously, you don't want to sell and then have a $500 stop loss. You know what I mean?
Of course.
You know, that's the thing on the spot account, on the spot coins, because that gets rather expensive. So what I'm doing here at the moment, I want to get in as high as possible to some resistance. And let's see if they eat this up. But on the 4 hour, they're still going, like, you know. 4 hour is still unbeaten. So what we're doing here is like guesswork. If you just tuned in, I've been talking to Mickey earlier on. I expanded the Fibonacci earlier on, and those who've been watching the show, we've been using this chart for a while. I cleaned it up a little bit, but I left the old the old support lines in there. We had from Privacy using this chart quite a lot. With the last extension of the Fibonacci here on my chart, can you see how insanely these lines align with the old support levels? This is just insanity, really. And with seeing 500 coins almost sitting on Binance at 39k for Bitcoin at the moment, a scenario to go back to a short period, at least like 36k or 37.5, it's very possible in my opinion. But if they do initiate a proper profit take here, I can see us going back to like 33,000, something like that, which would be huge. And if we look at that, man, Mickey, that's what we said earlier on Discord as well. If we look at this, if I go for the price range here, since the dip to that top right now, that's an increase over the last couple of days of now 37%. You know what I mean? 37%, that's a lot.
Yeah, one's going to want to take gains at some point.
Yeah, not if they know something we don't. I mean, if I look at this, the 4 hour, even down here on the 4 hour, and I'm gonna show you the RSI on the 1 hour I've been talking about, but on the 4 hour, the MACD, for example, is still wide open. The EMAs, we are well above the EMAs. I mean, we have to pull back to 34,300 just to hit the EMA here. So I'd be very careful predicting anything like a dump or whatever. But I think they might be pulling back a little bit because, yeah, they came along. Even today, they came a long way. And since yesterday, we've gone so far. Now, what I said to you earlier on Discord, if you look at this at the bottom of my chart down here, we have the the RSI. And if we look at this just for you see what they did for the last couple of days? They do just go over it a little bit, but they've done a very, very good job from literally stopping Bitcoin from overselling, from being overbought, massively overbought. But even here yesterday, if you look at that bolling at the RSI here, the moment it overbought, they sold off a little bit. It overbought here, and we had a 4 hour sell-off. Well, not a sell-off, but a little bit of a pullback. And now, literally, with this here, we kind of overbought a little bit again. So I do expect us to at least pull back a little bit. But yeah, they also have some support sitting, $8 million sitting just on 38,000. You know what I mean? So 38,000 down is 16 million. Going a bit further up, yeah, it's also 16 million. 38,850 is also 14 million. So we're somewhere between 38,850 at the moment and 38,50, and the market is trying to decide where to go, in my opinion. Supply and demand, big question at the moment. How much how much demand is there for Bitcoin right now?
Well, we know demand is rising and supply is, well, we know exactly what supply is, arguably.
Yeah, no, but I mean the supply. How much is the market willing to sell the Bitcoin? Obviously, 39,000. There's 400 coins sitting there. So for 39,000, there is definitely people willing to sell. There's also people willing to buy at 38. So that leaves us 1k at this point. It's like it's less than 1%. You know what I mean? It's like 0.3% price movement. It's nothing. So between 38 and 39 at the moment, that's nothing. They're still going strong though.
And those coins are still leaving the exchanges.
Coins are leaving the exchanges. That's bad.
That's good.
Nah, that's bad. You can't sell them if they're leaving the exchange, man.
Well, you never know. It makes you wonder when we'll see the first exchange dry up.
I don't know. Wouldn't that be fun? If Binance was to run out of coins?
I reckon one of the smaller ones, something like OKX or something like that, would dry up.
Let's see. Can I get like my dip here, please? Like 30% dip?
30%. Hey, at the moment, we're lucky if we get bloody free.
Huh? I wish people would just fucking start to listen, man. For over 2 weeks, my mates at the restaurant been talking to me and go like, well, I think, Andy, we're ready for Bitcoin. And I was like, yeah, whatever. Give me a shout. And we've been talking for 2 weeks now, and they go like, yeah, we have to get together. And I said, no, what you have to do is you have to put some money on the table.
Yeah, put your money where your mouth is.
No, not in that way. It's like, I know that they want to buy, and it's like, yeah, but you know, that money is like, you know, it's how can we do that without transferring it on a bank account, blah blah. And I was like, well, peer to peer, that's what it's all about. So literally put the money on the table, and then we talk. And they were like, yeah, now when we close the restaurant, we talk. And that's been obviously dragging for another week. And I just look at Bitcoin and go like, because I like these guys, you know, I like them a lot. They've done very well to me, and we're having a lot of fun working together. And I want to see them doing well as well, like everybody. And I just see them thinking, fuck, we were talking since 18K, 25K, 28K, and now we're like almost at 38K, and we're still talking, guys. Come on. I wanna see you doing well, because if they make good money on this, they're gonna love me many times for that as well. You know what I mean? Now I know why the light's so shit. I had another bulb blow, did I? Really? Okay, I get it now. We have no light over there. That one's blown. I was just wondering why we have so little light here. Okay. That one over there worked today.
The longer this goes sideways, the more likely it's going to drop.
I don't know. I still have to put a stop loss in there eventually.
It's thin on Coinbase. Have you seen the buy side on Coinbase? It's really thin.
The buy side on Coinbase.
Yeah, it's really thin, down to 37. It's like it's 38,600. I don't know. Personally, I think it feels like it wants to go down a bit for another launch upwards.
Yeah. But that's what I'm reckoning for. That even if it's 3%, I don't care. I take 3%. I take whatever. I take anything. Crazy like that. I wasn't that long earlier on. And even that was closed at $300-400 up. But yeah, they're still going here, man. 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. That's huge. Yo, Chris in the house. Fart. Hoo. Yo, Chris, you're up there with 50,000 points for some reason. I assume your subscription has extended. Thank you very much for that, my friend. Let me send you some Gcash. I was just gonna check what alerts. Yeah, but just show me the alert tab. Yeah, it doesn't show. That's the thing. I see you up there for this month with already 50. Sure, super sub, automatic. Nice one. Thank you, my friend. It's just like, I'd have to check somewhere else. I saw it when I started the stream. But yeah, you're up there with 50k points already, man. GG. Thanks for your support. Bosses are keeping going, no?
50 bucks off high.
Huh? I'm good. I don't think they're gonna go past 38.8 for the moment, really.
You don't.
Oh, but what do I know?
You know more than me. I'm not.
I feel like 2000. Sometimes with the trading, I feel like all 2017 all over again. I'm going like, yeah, but this is the point here. Like, you know, I'm gonna get my re-entry. I'm just gonna wait for an hour, and we have to dip here, and they go up another $2,000, and you're like, what the fuck?
Size of it. Oh, go all-time high.
Yeah, let's go all-time high. I'm just gonna be selling more eventually, I suppose. There we go. All-time high. I'm not even calling all-time highs everywhere because I'm tired of doing it every 3 hours. That's another thing. We need to come down for a while and go sideways for a bit to actually have an established all-time high. Like, you know, at least for a week or two or whatever. Where we don't go like every 3 hours. Hey, Bitcoin, all-time high. Because that's getting old. Getting old. Wake me at 50k or something. Let me just reset the camera here. I want to see what happens if we reset this properly. And put some brightness in there. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now it's not flipped, is it? Boom. That looks good. Messing with the camera. Let's see what happens. Pi is gonna come in and go like, what the fuck? You sold Bitcoin? I'd fancy some music. What kind of music can we put on? BTC got rid of dips. Yeah, apparently the dips are not a thing anymore. 4 hours still showing a lot of strength now. And 38.8. I don't really want to sell now. I don't want to send a stop loss up there. Still think they're gonna go down to 38150 ish. They put up another 100 coins. It's 38150 now, bastards. 3.8 is 217 coins. 38150 is 136. So to dip lower, yeah. I think we might have been mistaken, Mickey. Pump up the jam for music. Yeah, nah. I think we decided recently, guys, everybody can put on their own music. It's better, prevents me from getting DMC strike and having to go to prison because I played music on my stream. And allows you guys to listen to whatever you want. If it's Mozart or Iron Maiden, doesn't matter. There they go. And still going. Yeah, that's a new high here on Binance. Just now.
38.8 on stamp is a new high.
38.8 already. We're 150
Yep,
behind. Mother.
8775 as I speak.
Yeah, well, that was great. But now we're actually overbought on the RSI. Now we're actually triggering overbought.
Good. Then we get a dip out and buy my coin back.
I should have waited for the 38750 for the sale, because I'd be fine doing a 250 stop loss on 38750. 385 was a bit short. Let's see. Might sell some more up there. Wouldn't it be funny if Elon Musk just now tweets, "Oh, we just initiated the purchase of Bitcoin. We're buying 5 billion worth." And all of a sudden, 39 is history. So is 50. It's like, I'm shorting. I sold my spot coins. Bitcoin goes to 50K. Grinder goes like, "Mama." Mama. Check something here. If they eat up the next $27 million, that'd be insane. I love this. We did this all night last night, by the way, guys. We were watching Bitcoin. We were on Discord in the voice channel as well. I was playing some Division. We're probably gonna play in a little bit as well. Some Division with Function. And watching Bitcoin. I had some very, very nice trades yesterday, actually. Just gotta see what happens here now today. Might have to take that loss actually eventually if they keep going here. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna meet some kind of bounce at around 38,850. Well, as long as you stream from prison, yeah. In Germany, I don't know what it's like in Spain, because I've never been to prison in Spain. Not that I was ever in prison, just to add that. But in Germany, as far as I know, because of Verdunklungsgefahr, because if you haven't been sentenced yet, outside communication is kind of cut off, so you can't tell your buddies to burn the weed, you know what I mean? So no internet for you. 30-hour lockdown, 23-hour lockdown, I think, per day, and no telephone, no internet, no whatever. Streaming from prison would be fun in 2021 if there's another lockdown. At least you get 3 meals a day, and you just stream from your prison cell. And play games, wouldn't that be fun? Look at these people. Damn. Chewing up those coins. This is the 4-hour on the other side, guys. Less cluttered. And yeah, on the 4-hour, obviously look at the MACD down there, guys, and look at the volume here. Still loads of power here before they actually pull back, I think. They're not gonna cross this with a second here. So yeah, we're probably in. They're probably gonna try for 39 before they bounce here. Which means at 38. Fuck. this in here. Ba, 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 ba. That's a big stop loss.
It's got some fucking legs under it. 38,835.
Yeah. What day is it today? Thursday.
Thursday.
That's a lot of action for end of the week.
Yeah, weekend dump. That's definitely possible.
There's something else we were looking at yesterday, guys. As you can see, I marked out a couple of things here on the 1 hour chart. The last couple of corrections, they were always 8%, 8%, then up here was 8% again, and then obviously we had the huge 10% correction. The funny thing is at that time, obviously now the Fibonacci has been extended with every new height, guys, which puts us to these levels now. But if you look at that, you see how nicely they start to align with these dumps as well. This is all starting to make perfect sense here. But we also worked out, and that's something Mickey actually prompted me yesterday to work out. We looked at the time frame of each of these correction, and we noted something funny here, guys. Between each of these corrections, basically, was a time frame of approximately 6 days every time before they initiated.
On the 3 days, if you remember, because we said we'll have to look at the 8th or the 9th for the 3-day interval.
Yeah, but in between those, every breakout to the correction, we came up with something like 6 days. If we pull that back from the last correction to the next one.
E38928.
Let it go. I already got my stop loss in here. You see what I mean, guys? And we always come up with 6 days here. 5 days, 6 days. So this will put the next correction, if they start going sideways here or they keep going. I can't see them keep on going. It's just been too much. They went up 30% since that dip. But if we extend this here again from that dip up here, it will put us over here somewhere. See what I mean? And that was every time 6 days. It's a bit funky drawing here at the moment.
Oh, mate, ready? Here we go. $5 off it, and not quite.
Nope. But wait, there is not 600 coins anymore. They're definitely going for 39 here now.
38,999 on stamp.
Bloody hell, fuck me. Bitcoin. You wrecked me today.
There's more resistance on the sell side starting to build up on stamp. Not that much, but it's building.
Nah, they just took at least 200 coins of 39 here on Binance.
Oh, there you go. Then they're playing it. So 40's in play.
40, fuck 40.
In fact,
fuck 39.
Max
I want my dip. I want it now.
Max Kaiser reckons we could see 42 first.
Who's that?
Max Kaiser.
You first. Damn, that'd be a
I don't know. Nice.
Fuck me. Got me this time, didn't they? Oh, whoa, wait, they're putting up resistance again. Oh, it's 39. That's why I said earlier on, selling here, it's 38.9. That's an easy one, you know? Because that's like, it's like $100 exposure if they just keep on chewing. 38.9 to 39.11 or whatever, that's $100 stop loss at 38k, doesn't fucking matter. But yeah, I got in at, so that's 38.5, so he 1.5%. What happens? If they break 39, they're gonna pump this. $38, 899. 38, 9. Go again. And nothing down to 38,150 really. So let's. They got this.
38,995.
Much excite.
And here we go again. Oh,
no.
It's funny watching this because it's like 38,968,99,67,995. It just keeps bouncing.
Coming,
$30.
man, it's coming. It's coming. It was 20 million earlier on. Now it's it was 24 million. Now it's 9 million. So
wow.
Press that sell button, please. Everybody, you want to sell Bitcoin here?
No.
Yeah, you all want to sell Bitcoin right now.
There we go. Breached it.
They breached it. I'm gonna hatch this with a long if we break 39. I'm gonna hatch the long.
It hit on the nose on Bitstamp, so but it hasn't gone above it. It's on the nose.
Let's see. If they break through 39, there's nothing at the moment at the order book going to 39,850. This is insane.
This is what we've been waiting years for, mate.
Bueno, if I would have waited for years, then yeah, we wouldn't be talking right now. I'd be sitting on my little island, sipping mojitos out of the belly button of beautiful Caribbean girls.
Oh, well, we've got somebody in Grenada that will help you out there. That's the yacht builder.
What, sipping mojitos out of belly buttons? Well, where do you get that?
Say that again?
Sipping mojitos out of the belly button of beautiful Caribbean girls? Where you get that? There we go. It's done.
Do you remember I said to you yesterday, on a logarithmic scale, we are over halfway to 100K because the halfway mark was 31.
I know, bro.
Look at mate, the buying, and there we go, 39020. The buying is done. There we go. Boom.
Well, wait, there's the new hour coming.
Oh, good point. Oh, and it's on the hour as well.
On the hour, yeah. On the hour. If they break this they're broken it. There we go. Binance is done. 39,050. Boom. And if they dump this 10% now, I'm gonna be really upset with fucking Bitcoin. Damn, huh? Let's block back. That was bad. But I keep telling you, spot at the moment, it's fucking risky business selling spot, even if you think they're gonna top out, because 20 million is nothing anymore. 20 million is basically a piece of cake. New all-time high, 39K, hell yeah.
39,171 on stamp. There is some mad buying going on.
Craziness.
We're going to start kicking into people's trigger points where they were going to wait, and now they go, fuck it, I can't wait anymore.
Yeah.
even some of the
FOMO.
business companies will be
I mean,
there.
even me trading today, that's more FOMO than anything. If we're honest.
Yeah, I give that. That's why I sold that
Because
point one
that dip
earlier.
is coming. That dip.
I needed cash, so I'm not going to.
Bro, they went up over 30%. That dip is coming. And if it's 5% or 10% or 15%, it's definitely coming.
I tend to agree.
And it,
but when?
now.
Oh, don't say that. I'll press the trigger.
No one is selling BTC in 2021. Well, that would freeze the market. The question is, how long are the people going to sell BTC? Because we spoke about that yesterday as well, Chris, with Visik on Discord. I think my new word for 2021, and Visik coined that yesterday, or he told me yesterday about it, is supply shock. Supply shock is basically once big business who is investing or looking to add Bitcoin to their treasury at the moment and is pending SEC approval and all that stuff to actually move stock funds and company assets into Bitcoin and all that stuff. There's a lot of business people sitting on their tables at the moment, waiting, planning out and waiting approval and everything to put money into Bitcoin. And these people, they never worked with an asset that is limited in supply. You know what I mean? Not as scarce as Bitcoin. So eventually, I think big business has to realize, if they haven't done so already, I don't want to say they're stupid, that we only have 18.5 million coins, and the rest of the coins is taking 120 years, or gonna take 120 years to create. So we're gonna see a supply shock soon. If they can maintain that demand for a while now, that's what we said as well. Then basically supply is gonna run dry. Or you're gonna be able to ask sick amounts of money for your Bitcoin, because why would you sell it if there is none, if nobody's selling? You know what I mean? Why would you sell your Bitcoin? Unless you have to sell some, and therefore, supply shock, I think, is my word of the year. It's like, listen, I want to buy some Bitcoin, and everybody's like, yeah, good luck, mate. Reminds me of American Psycho. You guys remember the movie American Psycho when he wants to make that reservation at the restaurant to impress his secretary, and he calls the restaurant and goes like, I would like to book a table, and the maitre goes like, for when? And it's like, tonight at 9, 8, 8:30, 9 o'clock, and the maitre starts laughing. I was like, ha ha ha, guys, I got a dude on the phone, he wants a table for tonight at 8, and hangs up. And that's pretty much... Yeah, that's pretty much what Bitcoin's gonna be. It's like, listen, I want to buy some Bitcoin. It's like, what do you mean you want to buy some Bitcoin? You're funny. Oh man, crazy times.
So far, I'm looking at 39,276 as the all-time high on Stamp.
I'm gonna have to start some arbitrage trading. Yesterday, we had $400 difference at one point, didn't we? But now $400 is nothing, you know what I mean? It used to be something. $100 is like, isn't even worth your stop loss. 1% stop loss is about to reach $400. Huh. Damn. How many dollars do I get for my Satoshi right now? Something else we looked at last night was, I bought my first Bitcoin for $6, guys. You know how much $6 buys you today? I'll show you now. Prev, I think, just froze. Can't compute the price anymore. Yeah, Prev can't compute the price anymore, man. There we go. $6. Today you get 15,000, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 15,350 Satoshi for $6. You used to get a Bitcoin for that money. Oof. That's changed a lot. Damn. And $1 is now effectively, eventually it's going to be less than 2,000 Satoshi. A couple of weeks ago it was 3,800 Satoshi. Now it's 2,558 Satoshi for $1. Damn, that dollar is crashing hard. There we go, there we go. Come on, let's just keep going, babes. Good morning, and good morning to you, Preparian. You just missed the 39K a second ago, bro. Huge amounts of money just changed hands. Literally, we're talking like $40 million. Yo. 40K incoming. Yeah, well, let's look at that. It's not bad. It doesn't look bad. 40K at this point is only $42 million. Go and figure. Go figure. Insane. We were looking at it. Preparing. We were looking at it a couple of minutes ago. Below the fib line there. And the funny thing is, we were just looking at that earlier on. I extended it now a little bit. With today's fib extension, at least on my chart, look how this starts to align with purple everywhere. 0.5, 0.618, 0.786. These levels, they're starting, the extensions, they're starting to make an awful lot of sense. Even look at this, aligns with the last dip we had on Monday. This one is a previous one, and each time the Fibonacci has extended, it extended the level from the last dip to the previous one. You see that this one here, and we also figured out that so far every major correction, which was worth about 10% preparing, took anywhere between 5 and 6 days of accumulation. I just mapped it. I removed it now again because we had sick price action, but I mapped this dip, and now obviously the new one, where we're 2 days away. But this has been insanity, man. This is just insane. I was just looking at this price range since the dip. Bitcoin has gone up 39.62%. You know, this is just crazy, man. 40% without any proper pullback, and everything else is just keeps going. Massive demand. So how are you doing? I hope you had a great week so far. I had a bulb burn. So things don't get better. Some things don't get better. Look at this. This is sexy. Still have decided. I have to decide on a stop loss though somewhere. This is just craziness. I'm expecting a dip. I'm expecting 10% dip here somewhere. But yeah, they just chewed that up. They didn't dip. It's been a super busy work week. Busier than usual? How can you get more busy at work? Don't you always do the same kind of? Not used to trade in these amounts. Yeah, prepare and do what I do, and just look at the percentage at this point. Even I said that to Viziki last night as well, who's on Discord with me at the moment. I'm more like looking at 9,430, 9,450. You know what I'm saying? Yesterday I typed in an order and I was meant to put in 38,200 as my stop loss, and somehow I put in 37,200. I realized it and adjusted. But yeah, it's getting kind of crazy, man. It's getting really insane. And stop loss at this point, even a stop loss at 39,500, a 1% stop loss is $400 price movement. Which for me on the margin trading, I think it's alright. You know? On the spot coin I just sold earlier on, I sold $600 and bought them back $500 later. That's expensive, man. That's really expensive. So yeah, I just got wrecked. Like 10 minutes ago, I got wrecked. We had 40 and something million resistance to go to break 39K, and 40 million is nothing anymore. 40 million on the market, it's just like bombs. 340 coins sitting there. It's just like, yeah, thanks for playing, and they're gone. It's insane. It's the way I'm trading, or I've been trading yesterday. I'm trading. If I'm long, I'm trading with a trailing stop loss. So I'm kind of pulling up my stop loss to the support levels. But honestly, even if we look at that order book, yeah, this one, there is no support levels. There's 50 coins, 50 coins, 50 coins, 100 coins. The only thing here is like 38 at the moment, and 38.50 is only 20 million, and 20 million, they do that in 15 minutes. You know what I mean? And with this, I'm a bit worried now because we went up so far. So I do expect a pullback. And if that was to be 10%, hopefully, I'm hoping for like another 10% correction. That will put us somewhere. Yeah, this is already 12% now because we extended again. We're extending at such a rapid pace. So I would say maybe a more sensible thing would be this 7.72% right now. If they pull back to where we were this morning, damn. Know what I mean? Damn. Doesn't stop. Look at this. That's already 8%. So even if they're not gonna give up all this build up from today, I don't think so. They're not gonna pull this entire. This is just too massive. They rarely do that. Well, this one here, it could see a fast correction similar to this one. Friday to Thursday, you're doing 64 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, similar to this one here. But then they probably instantly gonna start buying up again. And catching something like this would be very nice after such a build up, which again would be, yeah, 8% tish. Always somewhere just around 10% here, these dips. So something like this would be very nice. Because yeah, I'm tired of longing and longing again to long my long again to long the long. You know what I mean? Getting very difficult. Getting too long, huh? Yeah, it's getting too long. And I'm scalping myself out of orders a lot just to prevent any loss, guys. Craziness all over the place. We know that dip is coming, right? It's a given. Question is when. And we're out again. I'm just gonna watch this for the minute. Seriously. We play a game. We play a game today. While we wait for Bitcoin to dip.
It's called Bitcoin.
Other game than Bitcoin. Let's play something else for a bit. You remember when we said yesterday getting wrecked and shit like this, and then getting into the FOMO mode and stuff like this? This is what's happening right now. I have to calm down. This has to calm down. So I'm just gonna chill here for a bit.
It doesn't strictly have to come down if there's a dwindling supply. Like you said.
Yeah, just print another $1 trillion and buy some Bitcoin.
Yeah,
that's the problem.
Print another $1 trillion Bitcoin, man.
That's the problem. The dollar is infinite. So basically, people buying Bitcoin with infinite money. That's the problem.
If they take them off the exchange, then all's good.
Yeah, but you see, no, that's all good. I'm just saying they're giving us for our Bitcoin a paper that's basically worthless, and they can buy as much as they want because they have as much of that paper as they need to buy Bitcoin. And all of a sudden, I don't know, there's no more Bitcoin, and you have this paper thing. Gotta be careful here now. Gotta be careful here. All of a sudden, there's no Bitcoin, and we all have to start using Litecoin.
Very dirty words.
I'd start if Bitcoin goes to 100K and it really gets that scarce that it's difficult to get some and it just keeps going for day-to-day stuff and settle micro small transactions and shit like this. Of course, Litecoin, man, because what at 100K? Sorry.
Use Lightning. I use Lightning all the time. It's great.
Yeah, I know, but I'm just saying, why would you sell your Bitcoin at that point? You can then use something else. You sell a couple of Satoshi and I don't know, use
What you'll be
Litecoin.
doing is selling it for something else that's even more volatile than Bitcoin and actually is unlikely to hold its value the same as Bitcoin. What you're doing is you're stepping your value down by using another coin.
Right. Nah, you're right. But in the end of the day, if you can't afford Satoshis anymore because one Satoshi is more than $1 eventually, then you have to buy whatever you can afford. If you can't afford
That would
Bitcoin
be
anymore, what do you do?
I,
It's like, I
I
need
can see that.
$10,000 to buy some Satoshis. I don't have $10,000, but I want electronic cash. You have to buy something else.
It's an interesting one, actually. If one Satoshi becomes $1, how do you pay 50 cents?
That's what I mean. You have to buy 2 coffees. We talked about that yesterday. If one Satoshi was to ever reach, I mean, we're 2,000 Satoshis away from that. That's a lot. We still have a very, very long way to go. But let's assume that happens, and one Satoshi is going to be worth $1 eventually. So one Bitcoin would be worth $100 million. Um, you'd have to buy everything that costs $1. You'd have to buy 2 of it. Or you can pay for it. It's like, yeah, I want a coffee. It's like, well, yeah, well, I take 4 coffees then instead and give you 2 Satoshi. Because even Lightning Network at that time, if how is Lightning Network gonna charge me less than 1 Satoshi for a transaction? For example, that'd be difficult.
Yeah.
So I buy 2 coffees for 1 Satoshi, and you charging me 1 Satoshi for the transaction? Fuck off. all of a sudden, Roger Ver comes out again. It's like, I told you can't use it to buy coffee. It's like, dude, at $100 million, I don't give a fuck if I can buy a coffee with my Bitcoin. Like I said, I use Litecoin. It has Lightning Network too. Oh man, that'd be so funny. That'd be so funny. It's like, I told you 20 years ago. You can't buy coffee with Bitcoin. Use BSV. BSV is like worth 1 cent.
It's a shit, isn't it?
Let's try this instead of the other thing. Because we have more light on the camera this way. Boom. This is amazing. This is pretty much all we're gonna do today. I have to find myself a game I want to play. But for now, we're playing Bitcoin. This is such hype. And I'm extending my FIP again. And all of a sudden, that 786 makes perfect sense as well. Oh, can I please get a dip here? This is getting boring.
Mate, like you just saw what I typed in main there. GBTC is pricing Bitcoin at $47,500. This shit's got legs, man.
If you give me $47,500 right now for a BTC, I send you one. But you have to send the USDT to my Binance account. For 47K, I sell you a Bitcoin. No worries. 45. I make you a discount. I give you. I sell it to you for 42,500 if you send it now.
Funds may take 3 to 5 days to get there.
Nope. What, Bitcoin to 40K? Or your USDT? Oh, by the way, I got that money from last night. The one I sent to Kraken. Funny thing, it was in my bank account today in the morning, man. So it did work. One or the other fucked up with that transaction yesterday, Binance or Kraken, but it appeared in the end around 4 o'clock in the morning. I sent it on straight away, sold the USDT, sent it on straight away, and already today in the morning it was in a bank account. Kind of crazy. Banking does work sometime, traditional banking, when they feel like it. Come on, can I get my dip now, please? Pretty, please. Pretty, please. Don't make me cry. Come on, guys. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Huh. That picture ain't there? Where's that picture? Did I lose that picture? That's there. Why is that not showing? What? That's working. Ah, there he is. Go down, Bitcoin, please. How many ice creams does a Bitcoin buy? Food is ready, stuffing my face. What's up for food today, bro? What are you having, Chris? I had a auszogene with Vanillecreme, with vanilla pudding. So let's see what happens here. I have so much power in this coin at the moment. 39,100, 100 coins as well. Oh, so what are we gonna play? Should we play U-Boat today? Chris wants to watch the U-Boat. I know Chris wants to see the U-Boat. He loves the U-Boat. Or what else could we play today? I've been playing Skyline Cities. Should we build a city while we watch Bitcoin? That's kind of chill. I think we could do that. And lasagna with kohlrabi, spinat, and noodles. Woo, spinach, kohlrabi. Yeah, good luck translating that into English. And noodles, nice. I could do some of that. Sounds very, very nice, bro. For those who don't know, Any2Aces, he does some nice cooking actually. Always posts the pictures on Discord, and I'm always jealous. And but should I show you something, guys? We had our Christmas dinner basically at work. Well, not really Christmas dinner, but yeah, basically because we're closed now for 2 weeks. So my friends, the restaurant is closed for 2 weeks, and after Christmas and like a mediocre season, they treated us to a feast before yesterday. That's why I didn't stream as well. And yesterday I was a bit hangover. Sorry, guys. But let me just bring that up over there somewhere. But we had a feast, guys. If that's loading, if that would load, that'd be great. I'll just show you that. There's all my drug-related messages on the left side. Just ignore those. Why is that not going further up? Oh, give me a second. Let me just find this. Yeah, I'm gonna show you some of this, guys. There we go. And they're really looking after us, guys. Can't complain. There it is. That was basically, that was the table. 2021 and 2020. There you go. And we had on there was king prawns, chorizo, Springer, chips, pata negra, sardelle, salad, Nebraska steak, Rubio Gallega, frisona, I don't know what. And that was a bit of a feast there, guys. And we really had an awesome day there. Look at this. And yeah, obviously the classics for the Spanish, the anise. For those who like a digestive or a Schnapsel after food, we had the Jägermeister, and that on the right would be my bottle. And the tequila. The tequila is always mine. Bastard, disgusting food, right? You know what? On Monday, everybody was like, I'm so hangover. They had anise, they had Jägermeister, they had wine, they had beers. I only had beers and tequila, and I wasn't feeling that bad, to be honest. But everybody else was doing the mixture. That's my buddies there. That's my two mates, and that's one of the girls from the kitchen. We're having a great time there at the place, I'll tell you that, guys. We're really, really... And that was probably the best event in 2020, guys. 2 days ago was one of my best parties I had in 2020. And yes, I know it's 2021. That was the table a little bit into the party. After the food, that's some of the videos we don't need to share. They're more like really stuff. They're not for Facebook and stuff. And that's my mates in the kitchen making the food there. Look at that. So much nice meat. Ooh. Ooh. Getting all hungry again. And that's the whole team right there. Damn, I was so off my head. Yeah, we're having good fun. And that was me getting ready for work. There we go. I'm coming. Fixing up my hair. Ooh, Jägermeister. Yeah, Jägermeister is the deadly one there. And there we go. Bitcoin is dying. 39.7. Hell yeah. 39.2. 39. Shit. Go down. It's not happening, is it? It's not gonna happen.
39,343 on stamp.
Sorry, what?
It's at 39,366 on stamp.
Ah, that's boring. I would have never thought that there would be a day where I go like, oh, Bitcoin is going down 1,500 up 2,000. It's like, do something. You know, $1,500 move is like, yeah, come on, do something. Like I said, it has to move. It has to move. What, 10% is $3,800 these days. In the summer, no, it's 3,900. In the summer, Bitcoin wasn't even worth $3,900, guys. Today, that's not even 10%. Just saying. This is craziness. You guys remember when I started streaming on DLive? And because everybody was kind of automatically put into crypto through how the lemons worked and everything. And I was hanging out in so many streams, Pygos as well. Pygos, some other people. And there was some people I made friends with, Sean Hawk, for example. And they were so reluctant to put a little bit, and they were making good money streaming. They were like the front faces, global partners of DLive and everything. And they was like, yeah, but you know, I have my costs, I have my expenses, and blah blah blah, and rent and all that stuff. And it's like, but listen, if you let's assume you made 500 or you made $1,000 last month on DLive, and you get paid in Lino, which you then cash out. 7 business days for the euro to your bank account or your dollar, and the same but you were able to cash out to Bitcoin as well. And I told them so many times, you know what, do me a favor, just cash, I think the minimum was $50 or whatever, cash out $50 to Bitcoin and cash out the other $950 to your bank account. And you're not gonna regret it. That was 2 years ago, guys. And I was like, and I did that for a year. I told everybody, please, I'm not telling you to put your money you need for a living into Bitcoin, but every month put a little bit into Bitcoin, and you're gonna be grateful. And here we are, guys. You know, 38 fucking K. Such a shame. I love to see when people do very well. Somebody told me on Facebook today that they were reminded of buying Bitcoin the other day, finally, after seeing one of my posts again. And so he finally got some Bitcoin. The only regret he has now is that he didn't do it sooner, he said. And I was like, you know what? Believe it or not, even now, I wouldn't have said that in 2017, but even now it's 39K. If somebody asked me if they should buy Bitcoin, hell yeah. All your Lino has become BTC. Yeah, but you see, preparing, you were hanging out with the right people, and you got very tight with Pygos. And if you get tight with somebody who's really in crypto and you're not like a complete idiot, then you're gonna at least wager $100 or $200 or whatever and put that in there. You know what I mean? Then you can't expect anybody or online friend you go like, yeah, put your life savings in there. That's stupid as well, and you shouldn't be doing that. But yeah, if you hang out with people who have been around crypto for a while and you actually talk to them and you ask them questions and you do your own diligence and like, you know, you look at Bitcoin the last 12 years and all these things, how can you not own a couple of €100 in Bitcoin or whatever? You know what I mean? Even like I said that yesterday to Mickey, to Visik as well on Discord. My friends at the restaurant, we've been talking about this topic now since $22,000. Yeah, and they've known me for years. They've known me already when Bitcoin was $400, but we weren't as tight back then. But anyway, since a while we've been talking because I was standing at the kitchen pass the other day. My zzz went off on the phone. I looked at my phone and I think it was like Bitcoin new all-time high, 28K, and I just started laughing, put my phone away, and picked up plates again. And my friend was like, "What's happening?" It was like, "Nothing. Bitcoin went up again." And he's like, "Where is it at?" And I was like, 28K. And I was like, "Fucking hell!" And I was like, "Fucking hell, yeah." I went long today. I opened the trade in the morning. I don't try to explain long and short. I said, "Yeah, I bought today in the morning, and I'm already $2,000 up or whatever." So all good. That day I made more money off Bitcoin while I was at work than work paid me, man. Seriously, I came home and I was sitting on an extra $250 or something like this. Yeah, and I made 100. I did 11 hours at the restaurant. It was a long day, 120 or 130. So that day, it was a good day. But anyway, and since then we're talking, and they're like, "Andy, we really have to get together, but now before Christmas, blah blah blah. In the new year, we sit down together." And I looked at them and was like, "Don't wait for the new year. Just put some money on the table, peer to peer. If you put 20K on the table, that's a bit of a problem. But if you put a couple of K on the table, I can give them that Bitcoin. It's not a problem." And yeah, we talk. On Monday, it was the same thing again. I was like, "Guys, stop fucking waiting," because on Monday I went long as well. I went long down here, somewhere down here. I regret now that I've taken the profit already. Obviously, around here somewhere I went long. 34.8. Yeah, I think 34.8, something like this. Was that Monday, the 6th? Let me just check that. No, it was before. Yeah, somewhere over here after that low. I did obviously not catch that low, this one, but I went long here somewhere, and that's a trade is long gone. But while I was at work, they built up there, and I was like, "Guys, you can't wait anymore. Look at this. Like, it's every day you're not losing money, but you're losing gains." He's like, "Yeah, don't you think it's gonna come down? Don't you think it's gonna come down?" And then the other day I was there and I was like, "Yeah, it did come down. It came down 20%, but you did not have money on the exchange." You know what I mean? And so there was a great opportunity, and that was the first 20% correction in a long time. All these before here, they were all 10%, so they're barely worth noting. Yeah. Or so what we've seen here now, that 20% dip, that was a proper profit take. So this one here, no real surprise. It's just a surprise that they still keep going, to be honest. That's the only surprise for me at the moment, that we haven't seen like a 5% dip so far. But yeah, it's getting insane. And now we're almost on 40K. I told them at 28, I told them at 32, 35, and now we're in on 40K. It's insane, man. And I'm still telling people to buy Bitcoin. And in 2018, I told people from 15K onwards not to buy Bitcoin. The first and only time in my life where I told people to please not buy Bitcoin was in 2017. When all of a sudden my inbox exploded on Facebook and everybody was like, "Should I now buy Bitcoin? Is it now too late to buy Bitcoin?" And I was like, "I don't know. We just came from 4,500 to 15, 16K. I don't know. I wouldn't buy it." But yeah, I'm thinking of maxing out the credit card and buying Bitcoin. And then they maxed out the credit card and they bought Bitcoin. And yeah, everybody knows what happened after that. We topped out at 18,800. And they were looking at their Bitcoins with 10% interest on the credit card and I don't know what. And eventually, obviously, they sold at a huge loss. 2017 was the only time I told people not to buy Bitcoin. And now I would have never thought in my life that I would tell people to buy Bitcoin at 40K. Because that's what we're hitting literally in a minute. We're $800 away from going epic again. How many Teslas can I buy with 10 Bitcoins? Just asking for a friend.
In fact, in the collectors channel, that's how we actually gauge Bitcoin success at the moment. The moment we get to 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Tesla, everyone's going to be screaming.
You remember 1 Bitcoin, 1 Lambo? It isn't really such utopia anymore. Maybe not now, but 2025. 1 Bitcoin, 1 Lambo. Not that I would buy a Lambo, but This one right now, this thing right now here, this Bitcoin price right now buys you definitely a small property in Spain. Just saying. Even less. I can get a little village house here, a little house, well, a flat, for less than this in where I live. I tell you that, guys. So we're getting to a level where Bitcoin, well, Bitcoin has always been life changing, but we're getting to a level where your Bitcoin may change your life, guys.
Well, to be brutally honest, it's probably already changed a lot of people's lives. I mean, it has changed ours, obviously.
39K is seeing huge support now. Fuck me. Okay, find a game. Because this, I'm not gonna be watching the stream for 12 hours. The chart. Well, I will watch the chart, but let's see what happens. I'm not gonna FOMO this right now, guys. Because we paid some money today as well already. Market stole from me. The market took my money. The blockchain stole my money from me, guys. They don't like me. It's a scam. Bitcoin. It's a scam. All my Lino became BTC. Isn't that awesome? I wish I would have kept more Ethereum. I dumped my Ethereum a while ago because at 183 gas, I don't know what to do with it anymore. And it hasn't changed in a year. And saying stuff like, yeah, blah, 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 you have to pay that transaction fee. Well, we've been there many times, Mickey. It's becoming a high roller token. If I make thousands of dollars on a DeFi platform or whatever, fair enough. But for everything else, it's pretty much useless at this point, in my opinion, anyway. If you want to transact anything else, it's just rip. I even now in the Boldly made me money now preparing. The Boldly token obviously was making me money 2 days ago. I don't know what it looks like right now. But I still have my Boldly, and obviously now with that increase and Ether spiking, it's more than it was before. At least dollar-wise. Maybe not ETH-wise. And a couple of other tokens. And I even still have some Matic sitting around, guys. You remember when I said I bought like 30, 40k worth of Matic? Well, 40k Matic tokens. I sold some recently because I pumped it back into Bitcoin, but I still have like 20k Matic, and they went up, I think, 24% yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm decided to hodl that a bit longer because I already got my money back from that. So I'm thinking Matic might be one of my winners here on the short run. Where is it? Matic USD now lost 4%. Okay. Yeah, look at this. Maybe I should have sold some. Look at this. Matic has been going crazy, guys, crazy. And I think I'm still gonna hold this though. What's this? Let me just go 4 hour. This is. It broke its all-time high. What? And the thing is, I still have 2,500 Matic on the Matic network, and I was gonna move them yesterday. I started mining ETH a week ago when I'm not gaming. How well are you doing on that? We should have mined ETH all year when nobody else was mining it, or when less people were mining it. I mean, that's why I can also say a lot of times, guys, mining is only not profitable in a bear market or when token is worth less if you can't afford to have the mining rig running, aka pay the electricity while the token doesn't cover the cost. Eventually, you're always gonna gain on it. Mining is always profitable if as long as you can hold that token long enough. You know what I mean? For example, now even if ETH was gonna go down now, or let's assume the bear market, the bull market is over for Bitcoin, and we start pulling back and we settle somewhere around 20k or whatever, 25k, and that's the new low, and I don't know what, a year hanging around 20k, 25k for the next year to come or whatever. And the other coins level out as well, and mining gets less profitable. The next halving is coming in 2025, and then we are gonna have another bull run. And naturally, it's gonna pull up the other tokens again as well. And ETH ain't going anywhere. ETH is here to stay. You know what I mean? So it might be if you can hold that long, you're always gonna make a profit. You know what I mean? You just have to pay the electricity in the meantime. But yeah, less miners, more revenue, obviously, more per block rewards. And now when everybody's hyped again and everybody starts mining again, you get less. You get less from every block that pool finds, obviously. And yeah, Matic, I got that sitting in the Matic network, like 2,500 tokens or whatever. And what's happening there is I tried to withdraw that 2,500 tokens or move them back over to the Ethereum blockchain yesterday, and that would have cost me $58. And I was like, hell no. Hell no. But yeah, I missed the high there. Fuck. And that's why I mean Ethereum for me to really use it as a trading tool or a financial tool to and then act quickly whenever I want to act. That wasn't even the all-time high. I was mistaken, guys. But they're closing in on their high. Look at this. This is crazy. So Matic, yeah.
Ethereum all-time high is 0.14 Bitcoin.
Sorry?
Ethereum all-time high is 0.14 Bitcoin. It's never going to get there again.
Right. No, it's not.
If you gauge it against fiat, it's going to do well. If you gauge it against Bitcoin, it's never going to catch up.
Nah. That's the thing when people always say now these days, we talked about that yesterday, bro, when people these days say Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin on the fiat trading pair, it is outperforming Bitcoin. Yes. Back in the days, there was no fiat trading pairs, so we have to look at this. But what people don't look at a lot is they don't look at the BTC Ether chart. And for me, for Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin, that's not the price or the percentage gain. If Bitcoin has now the 5th new all-time high in the 5th week or whatever, then Ethereum is still way behind. Ethereum still hasn't seen a new all-time high, so it's not outperforming Bitcoin. You know what I mean? It's only outperforming Bitcoin if it shoots past its all-time high and then adds gain on top of it. But so far, Ethereum hasn't capped its all-time high, so how is it outperforming Bitcoin? That's only percentage-wise in terms of trading against the US dollar, not against BTC. And that's the thing a lot of people don't see. They don't these days. Nobody looks at the BTC trading pairs. Everybody's just so focused on the USD trading pair that everybody ignores let me just bring it up. Ether USD. I don't even have Ether. Look at this. Plus, let me just bring that up here. Ether. Okay, let's look at this. Load. You see what I mean? Look at this. Ether is definitely not outperforming BTC because it's going down and down and down and down, and now it's catching up now. But until recently on the 4-hour chart, guys, how is this going down, 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 and down and down and down and down? How is this outperforming Bitcoin? What it would have to do is it would have to go parabolic against Bitcoin to outperform Bitcoin. So yeah, the fiat trading pair changed a lot in terms how we perceive trading. 0.029 ETH in a week, but not mining 24/7. Didn't try mining while streaming mobile gaming, and that worked at least. So I can mine while streaming on non-PC gaming. Yeah, you see, preparing. That's what I'm thinking right now is, can I play GeForce Now and at the same time mine Ethereum or my 580 or not? What software are you using, bro? Look at these people. They're not stopping, huh? Just, I don't know what to say to Bitcoin anymore, guys. Sorry. Sometimes, with all the wisdom I have after all these years and everything, sometimes I don't know what to say anymore. All I can say is enjoy the ride.
Well, you need to say, man.
And when you see me selling stuff on my stream, do not copy trade the grinder. Do never ever copy trade me, guys. This is not financial advice what we're doing here at the moment. We're chatting and talking about crypto. Please, anybody watching right now, do not copy trade me. Because even I'm a superstar. I'm the only trader in the world who manages to actually lose money in a bull market. Yeah, right. I haven't lost money. We looked at the PL yesterday. I actually shared it on Discord in the trading club as well. We've done very, very well on that trading account since we opened it, guys. But that today, that was FOMO. Me getting up, looking at that, and then seeing the wall up there and selling spot coin only to buy it back $500 later. That was bollocks. That was absolutely not needed.
Don't do the FOMO.
Yeah, that 500 because yesterday we scalped like $1,000 twice, didn't we? Yeah, that cost me about 20% of the profit from yesterday today. For me being FOMO trading. So be careful when I sell stuff. Nano miner. Okay, let me just check that out. Because I was looking at the NiceHash application the other day and it's not happening. I tried to run the installer and my entire computer went absolutely crazy, going like, you really don't want to install this. I'm telling you, do not install this. And that was not just like one false positive or whatever. That was going crazy. That software tried to hook into everywhere. And therefore, the NiceHash thing, it didn't happen. So I'm looking for something else that I can run, preferably a lightweight. I don't need a lot of user interface, even if it works with command line or whatever. I'm used to start rigs with command line and stuff like this, but yeah, we can just test that out. Nano miner, we test it now and see what happens. If it doesn't crash the stream, we're good, I assume. But hang on. In that case, I should maybe CPU encode the stream, because I'm GPU encoding the stream at the moment. Because I'm on Radeon, right? Nano miner. No poor. CUDA. It's the Nano miner's version of the CUDA miner. Nice. Okay, I can work with that. Wait. Why does he have Nano Miner Windows 3.1.4 and Nano Miner Windows 3.1.4 CUDA 11? I'm confused. Preparing, help. Which one did you install on your Windows machine, bro? The CUDA 11 or the normal one? Yeah, there is quite a few preparing. Same as the old Qt wallets, but yeah, the NiceHash thing was just a bit over the top for me. The non-CUDA version, okay. It was just doing too much, and I don't need all this fancy UI and everything. You know what I mean? I don't know. I know, like the old Qt wallets as well. Everybody triggers false positives and stuff like this, and it actually tells you for most of the stuff. I got Windows 360 security or 360 total security. I had that for years, and be careful though. There's another one that's almost called the same, which is a complete scam. And that usually tells me if I get an alert if that's actually known as a false positive. So even if the virus scanner goes stupid, then usually 360 tells me, yeah, but that could be a false positive. Nano miner Windows zip dangerous. So Brave blocked it. What? Nano miner Windows blah 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 is dangerous, so Brave blocked it. You don't tell me what you want to block. What do you mean you blocked it? Yeah, get ready for the computer going mad here. Madness is about to commence. Go. What? What? Did I just delete the exe? The exe was just deleted. Who the fuck just deleted the exe? Yeah, this isn't happening. Hang on a sec. I unzipped the install folder and Windows deleted the exe in the Wow. Really? Hang on. Eat this again. Practice again. Cannot open output file. Access denied. Blah blah blah. Nanominer.exe. It's getting deleted upon extracting the file. Win AMDT tweak exe. Huh. Damn. Really? Do I have to switch off my firewall entire my protection entirely? Not a big fan of that. Yeah, I got it now, but I had to disable something for that. Damn. These pretty. Yeah, whitelist the folder. That's why I don't like that stuff, man. Network, allow access. How can I show you this, guys? This is kind of interesting stuff, but I don't share my entire desktop. You're mining with a D2 default wallet, changing to yours, connecting to Etherpool, starting work. Yeah, hang on. No, 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 no. Where's the config? Config, ini, kernel. Wallet, there we go. I'm gonna show you my desktop, guys, but don't you fucking steal my private keys, right? Because I got them like on my desktop wallpaper, so I don't forget. That's all QR codes on my desktop. I just scan them when I need them. So no stealing my private keys. Don't you dare scanning the QR codes on my desktop. I kill you. Nah, I'm just kidding. Window capture desktop. I never do this. I don't even know how to capture the desktop because it shows everything, right? It shows. Let's not do that. I'm gonna change the config and I'm bringing that window. Let's do it like this. Hang on. Mining to Ether wallet. Let's set up a new wallet for that. See, got into the config file. What? Notepad update? No. Hang on a sec. Whitelist the folder, you said. How can you whitelist the folder? Oh yeah, obviously you restart the virus program. Because if I start that now, if I start the Windows security, how do I whitelist the folder before starting the AV? Let me just check something here, guys. Looks like I just got out of bed. And is this still running when you close it? Let me check. Because that's what I think NiceHash is well a problem I had with them. I did try that software eventually at one point, but it was still running services after I closed it, and I wasn't a fan of that either. Radiant settings, cooler, weather. Why is there a weather service running? Yeah, it's okay. Okay. So, start the 360 again. I'm gonna try that. Yo, what? Sorry, man. Brandon's Christmas giveaway XXMP4. Yo, sorry, Function. I didn't see you coming in. I was just setting up a mining software because preparing records he can. In config. Hang on a second. Hang on a second. Prepare him. Can you send me that line from your config on my Discord? Kind of line breaks and everything. And I put that in. I'd appreciate that. 360. We're just setting up a mining rig, so give me a second function, please. Why not a mining rig? I want to see if I can play on GeForce Now and mine at the same time. That'd be interesting. But which pool is it mining? It must be pointed at a specific pool, or am I solo mining prep? Because if I'm solo mining, yeah, I don't know. Is nano miner, is that the pool? Yeah, I assume it is. Virus scan, blah blah blah. Virus scan I don't want. I want whitelist. Custom scan, quick scan, cloud analysis, quarantine, sandbox, ransomware decryption tool, firewall, quarantine. Where's the See, it shouldn't have deleted that file automatically though. Preparing. What it should have done is it should have warned me about that file and give me the option to whitelist it the moment I unpack the archive. You know what I mean? Nanopool, okay, makes sense. And thanks for the DM. I check it out in a second. So kind of surprised that it literally just deletes the file. Now I'm trying to see where I can whitelist. Where can whitelist that file? That exe actually. Force delete scan with. It gives me a delete. Force delete run in 360. Scan with 360 total security, but that's what I don't want. I want it whitelisted. Three layers of protection. 6 layers of system protection. And 2 layers of blah 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 privacy protection. Fair enough. Toolbox. Where's the list for excluding stuff in this privacy cleaner, disk analyzer, ransom. I never ever wanted to change from Windows 7, guys, and now I'm stuck with this shit. Custom scan. Where's my bloody whitelist here? Yes. Internet security, if you have private keys on the system, is overrated anyway. Let's switch this all off. There we go. And let's start this again. Let's just see what parents sent on Discord. wallet, coin ease, rig name, email. Email, really? What about my privacy? This is crypto. Config. It was Notepad. Security is overrated. Yeah, and private keys as well. Did you see the Elon Musk giveaway? Because he loves everybody. I got a link today in the morning leading me through a fake Medium post to a fake Elon Musk. Elon Musk gift.info. Don't go there, guys. Rig name Z Matrix. Email. Okay. Coin ease. Wallet, coin, rig name, matrix. Boom. Thank you, preparing for sending that over. And let's start this again and let's see if we can bring that in, if that works.
It's the run for 40k.
Shut up. I'm not in a long, I'm not in a short. I hate you personally. It's personal at this point. I think, did I just kill my system? Or did I kill my mouse? Something's happening.
It's all frozen here. I can hear you. Oh yeah, I got it on Discord, didn't I? Yeah.
Yeah, wait a second, guys. Kicking that rig in. Obviously, when a rig settles in, it takes a couple of minutes for a rig to settle in, guys. Let's see. Yeah, it's lagging the system as well. Give this a second, and we see what happens, guys. Terrible. I'm frozen. I'm literally frozen up.
Yeah, you're not doing a lot, mate.
I'm completely frozen up.
Yeah, your voice is laggy a little bit on Discord occasionally.
I'm trying to get to the task somehow. Okay, that was funny. That didn't work too well, guys. Yeah, lagging now. Lagging? I couldn't move my fucking mouse. I'm gonna play with this off the stream. I'm pretty sure we can get it to run. It did not max out the CPU, so I assume it's not gonna work that I encode the stream and mine on the graphic card at the same time. So I'm gonna encode the stream on the CPU. I'm gonna try that anyway, and start tomorrow. It's not like ESA is gonna crash tonight. I hope not. But yeah, that was terrible. Are we good now? Yeah, we're better now. Damn. But anyway, preparing. Thanks for pointing that out. I'm gonna let that run whenever I'm not streaming or whatever. I'm pretty sure I can game and do this at the same time. Because yeah, GeForce Cloud, right? So you see, Mickey, this is where also it could be the future with the gaming. When I say cloud gaming, if you still have a good graphics card sitting around and whatever, you can easily, with a good CPU and good hardware, you should be easily able to game and mine at the same time. With obviously privacy wasn't really an option. You know what I mean? You needed a mining rig, and now if you can actually cloud game while using your home computer to mine cryptocurrencies, that would be another step into the crypto evolution as well. You know what I mean? because I think gamers should have been mining years ago already. And I remember when everybody was looking for 1070s, 1080s, 1070s in 2017, and nobody could get any because the miners were going crazy. The gamers, the hardcore gamers, everybody wanted to have the latest graphic cards, obviously. The miners were going crazy for Ethereum and other altcoins, and there was a supply problem. Now, eventually, maybe we come to a crossroad, and maybe now also the gamers are opening up a little bit to the abilities of being able to mine cryptocurrency whenever they're not gaming and stuff like this. Because why not? You're streaming. If you stream for a living, when you're not streaming, why shouldn't you continue to make a living? You know what I mean? By actually utilizing your GPU to mine cryptocurrencies. Makes perfect sense to me. It always made perfect sense. But yeah, Ethereum has to go to 1K for people to mine. They're still not coming down, are they? Damn. If they break out again, well, they're gonna come down eventually. So let's not FOMO. I'm gonna smoke a cigarette on the side quickly. While we look for a game. What should we play, guys? Let's play something here. And we watch Bitcoin on the side. That should be fun. Window capture. Damn, that was crazy laggy. Sorry for that, guys. That was just insane when that lag just came in a minute ago. I started it the first time, it wasn't laggy like that. That was weird. You remember just before when I started it for the first time in the background, and then it said I'm mining to a default address. I should change it in the config. At that point, it was actually it wasn't that laggy, so I have to check this out a little bit more. Why does it not find my Brave now again? Ah, there it is. Brave. Boom. I want my dip. I want it now. We're overbought on the RSI. It's happening. It's definitely gonna happen. Question is when. I think if they bounce up there again, I'm gonna try this settings thing again. If they really do make it back up to 39.8, I might just try that sale again. I guess we see. And what should we play, guys? Low on ETH due to projects, so I gotta mine or buy more ETH. Buying ETH, I hope if you buy ETH, let's see what Mickey posted there as well. If you buy ETH, I hope you're buying it with monopoly money and not with hard-earned crypto money, aka Bitcoin. That would be a waste. Nothing wrong with buying some ETH. Where's my chat gone? Did I close my chat? Yeah, I closed my chat. On that window anyway. But I have it over there, so we're good. Low on ETH. I'm low on ETH since a while. But you guys remember the Uniswap drop? The Uniswap drop airdrop has done me very well, guys. I can't complain. Because if you remember, I got the drop twice. I sold the first one very early at about $2.50, $3, so that was what, $1,500 or whatever. The second one I sold higher. I sold that around $7. And obviously everything, it didn't go into dollars, everything went back into Bitcoin. And that's basically a large chunk of that is what I have sitting on the exchange now, and that's several $1,000s. I've taken money out as well. I bought Bitcoin and put them into cold storage and everything, but Uniswap beats any that airdrop, well handled, or reinvested into Bitcoin or even Ethereum at that point, guys. It's some serious money now. You buy with your SEC? What's SEC? Now, if ETH wouldn't be so stupid and would come down, I have something sitting also in the NFTX thingy. I looked at that the other day, but I can't claim my stuff because I'm not paying $50 to claim my 42 whatever staking reward, because that cost me like a fortune. And the same happened yesterday. I have Boldly still. What else was I looking in? I was looking at moving some the Matic I have on the Matic network would have cost me $56 to move it. Boldly would have cost me $24 transaction fee to cash out the 50 whatever I put in, which is like $80 now. I'm not paying $25 to cash out 80. Sorry, it's not happening. I'm gonna just let it sit. If it was more, and that's why you see these yield farming and all these hypes. They're cool on Ethereum, whatever, but yeah, you have to put money into it. You have to put several $100s into it just to justify the transaction fees. And then if that token flops and you have to dump it, then you still have that transaction fee. So you're losing out twice. You lose on the price loss of the token, and you lose again on the bloody transaction fees. So it's not happening for me, guys. It's absolutely not happening. I can't do that. I can't justify it. If I was playing higher, then yeah, maybe. But at these ranges, and where's the camera not coming back? Just pressed. There it is. Weird. Is my stream lagging behind? Ah, yeah, because we lagged, guys. Do an F5. Do an F5 if you're behind. But me looking over there, I just did that. Because we probably lagged out a little bit when I tried to start the miner there. That would be awesome. Playing hours of Division 2 while mining crypto on the side while trading crypto. Yeah, mining. I haven't done any mining in years, guys. In years, literally. Let me just check Twitter as well before we start with the game. I don't know, Function, are you working if you're watching at the moment? Mickey, I can't open the link because I closed the chat on the other system. Is it important? The 100 trillion USD status thingy?
No, it's just Plan B's stock to flow model proving that it's actually fully on point like clockwork.
Nice. Nice. Swedish krona. Oh yeah, Swedish krona. Have you seen how the dollar is crashing to the US dollar? I love this. That's why I'm making these new posts now every week or every couple of days, because every week it's not happening. It's going up too fast. Of how much one US dollar is worth, because seriously at this point it's 2,500 Satoshi. So the dollar is crashing hard, guys. The dollar is really, really crashing against the Bitcoin. Shorting the dollar. Everybody who's buying Bitcoin is literally shorting the dollar at the moment. This is insane. This is insane. Where are they taking all this money from? Okay, what we gonna play here? We said we're gonna be something relaxed. I don't know what to play. Have you finished with Valhalla preparing? Have you finished the game yet? I haven't. I didn't go back to it. Maybe I should go back to Valhalla soon. And Rising Storm Vietnam 2, I still need players to play with, guys. And Cyberpunk, they finally broke it for me on PC a little bit as well. Driving was fucked up the other day. It was the AI driving. They were driving like crazy. They were driving everything over. They were driving over people and everything. So let's see. I want to know if Function is working really. But he probably just got up. It keeps crashing on you. Oh, Valhalla keeps crashing on you? Oh, damn, man. Yeah, I'm kind of a little bit disappointed with the late 2020 game releases, to be honest. I expected a little bit more. And right now, a little bit of my hope is currently set on, working today. Sorry, man. Make that money. And And yeah, to be honest, a little disappointed by the releases in late 2020. None of the games was really what I expected from them. I'm liking still Cyberpunk because it's just so way down. It's down my line, like it's really down my lane. But even there, when I logged on the other day and I called my car and it drove up, stopped at the crossing, and just started to drive in circles, driving over people, driving over pillars until it exploded. It took enough damage to explode. And then I checked another car, started driving, and there was cars like really into the intersections and crashing into each other. I don't know. They must have done something that kind of screwed up the AI driving. So so I'm giving that a break at the moment. Overall, and I have to admit that because I'm a sucker for Cyberpunk, guys. Cyberpunk, the genre. I do love the game. It's just also a wish it would have come out in a better form, more stable, And yeah, with some of the other games, we talked about that recently as well, guys. Some of the other games, it's the same thing. It's like Watch Dogs, for example. The developer streams, when I watched them, they were talking about how every NPC has a backstory and you can engage with everything, and the AI this and the AI that. And then they released the game, and the AI is pretty much running against walls, and I don't know what, can't find the stairs, and can't open door, and jumps up a box, and down and up and down and up and down because confused. And I'm sitting there and I play games like The Division, also Ubisoft, where you have very, very excellent AI, in my opinion, and you sit there and go like, they got it. They have it. They have the tech. They have the AI or the NPC. They have the code. You know what I mean? They have the code. And then they released this game. Said, oh, there we go again, pumping again. And then they released this game. Sorry? Go ahead, Mickey.
I was going, woohoo!
Yeah, they're not really through there yet, but yeah, they're going again. They're showing so much power today. I just don't want to enter there because
I think it's going to get up. It's going to fold back.
I don't know, though. That's what we said at 38 yesterday. You remember?
Yeah.
No, that wasn't even 36. Wait, that wasn't 38. Sorry, that's what I mean. 1,000 more or less. Who gives a fuck, right? That was 37,500-ish. 37,500. That was $2,000 ago. We thought they were pulling back, and they did it. They started 4 hours. They went reddish over there on the chart, and then yeah, they decided no, we're not going back. Fuck you, Grinder. Every time I enter the market with $500, they're fucking around.
Oh,
it's rigged. They're just doing this to take my $500. They sell $20 million worth of Bitcoin just to stop me out. $500.
Yeah, of course, everybody knows it's all about you.
Yeah, of course. There was a time where we actually said back in the days that I think 5 years ago already, where we were like, when somebody goes like, what if you go with the 100 coins to an exchange? I was like, the exchange? They chew you up and spit you out and then never realize you were there. Here we are at 40k. Do the maths. Today, you can put up whatever you want. They chew you up and spit you out, and they never realized you were there. It's like, early on today, that move today, that cost at least $100 million.
Yeah, but if you're Elon Musk,
just on Binance, just on Binance. It's not. It's just on Binance. That move upwards, people had to buy at least $100 million because we had the 60 million resistance to what? Where we at? To 39. It's getting ridiculous. It's getting so ridiculous. Seriously.
Mate, too many millionaires on the planet. They can't all own one Bitcoin. We're starting to get millionaire FOMO, I think.
Millionaire FOMO?
Yeah, there's only 21 million Bitcoins, and there's something like 4,000 or more millionaires. There's something like 100 and some odd billionaires, but even if just the millionaires on the planet, all 4,000 of them wanted one Bitcoin, they can't have one, can they?
Why? We do have 4,000 Bitcoins. I have 4,000 bitcoins. I can sell them one each.
No, what was my math on that? I'll fuck the math up. But anyway, yeah, they could work
It's
for
like
millionaires.
they can't have one bitcoin each. 4,000 millionaires. If they give me $1 million each, I obviously don't have 4,000 bitcoins. But I'm literally working on my second million at the moment. Because yeah, I flopped the first million, so I decided to skip it and work straight on my second million. You know, because the first million flopped. So fuck making the first million. I'm gonna start off with my second first million.
There are 46.8 million millionaires. So
yeah, that's
not
what I
all the
thought. That's
millionaires
what I
are-
thought. So you said 4,000 millionaires, and I was like, what?
I'm thinking 4,000 billionaires.
Okay, 4,000. Yeah, that's still a huge number. But yeah, those who bought Bitcoin and held them for a couple of years, they're way on their way. They're way on their way. Even people who started earlier this year, below 10k or whatever, you're way on your way to get very wealthy as well, guys. Or at least cash out at eventually a good amount of money. Seriously, if I would have bought the Bitcoin this summer at $5,000, the thing to do here at 40k, in my opinion, would be to sell $5,000 worth of Bitcoin and put the rest in cold storage. You get your investment back, right? You're free riding. But if anybody bought, even at 10k for example, and the person is still worried about losing their investment, sell $10,000 worth at 40k. You sell $10,000 worth of Bitcoin, and you're still 30,000 up, and you just let it ride. Put it away and forget about it until 2025. Even if it's worth $5,000 in 2025, which is not going to happen, you still made you still doubled down on your investment. But in my opinion, anybody who put money in there, whenever, once you get 3 times the return, 300-400%, just take out your initial investment and take it from there. And there's nothing to worry about crashing or not crashing, going up or whatever it's gonna happen. Once you get the money you put in back, because you're scared or whatever, the rest is it's not an investment, right? It's gains. And that's the way people should do it. Now at 40k to 80k, it's kind of gonna take probably a while to double down. But earlier this year, definitely you can cash out now, and you're still like four times in the money. But that's just my opinion.
That wall at 40k on stamp could fall away in a heartbeat.
Fuck. Have you seen the new WhatsApp agreement that it will collect share data between Facebook products starting in February, and advertising partners and law enforcement agencies, I suppose? No, I have not, but I saw Elon Musk tweeting today, use Signal. So why don't we all move over to Signal? I have Signal installed, so anybody wants to add me on Signal, just give me a shout on Discord. Yeah, there goes your end-to-end encryption, I suppose. How can they share any data if we have new all-time high? Preparian, you're gonna be around for a while today, and repeat that like literally on the hour. We've been saying new all-time high literally every hour for the last 8 hours. New all-time high. I have to see a low to see a new all-time high. To be honest, this is getting boring. This is getting boring. Hey, you know what? Let me guess. Bitcoin hit a new all-time high today. Yes, I was just gonna tell you. Again? Fuck me. I don't enter trades mid-race like this. I just can't. But we're hodling, so we're good. I should have stayed in that long earlier on. I was getting FOMO there that they're gonna dip. Damn. Where was that? Yeah, that's okay. That's actually only $580. That low, we opened that at 39 that long and closed it again at 39. So, but look at this. Craziness. On bits, Binance, we have 32 million to go to 40k, guys. Which apparently these days is peanuts, because like I said, there's already 100 million gone from earlier on. This is getting baba bobo, as they say in Thailand.
Only 10 mil on Bitstamp.
Try to get my friends to switch. Well, your friends have to switch if you just stop using the other app. Or they have to call you again. Like back in the days, you remember when people still used to call you on your mobile phone to talk to you instead of sending you stupid messages? Maybe it's time to call people once in a while again. And yeah, if they want something from you, they're gonna ask. They're gonna come through anyway. I'm all for let's have a consensus vote here. Everybody who thinks that everybody who thinks that function should call in sick for work, put a 1 in chat. Everybody who else thinks that function should keep his job, put a 2. I think he should call in for work, for sick. He got Bitcoin, alright? Work is overrated function at this point. But imagine the amount of money. Oh, I'm liking this. Oh, I'm liking this. This is new. Very fast reload. Yeah, we're gonna roll this rifle today. I got that yesterday, last night. And let's see what we're gonna do here. Nobody wants to get involved in the vote. And why is my chat lagging? My stream lagging behind again over there? Nah. Yeah, you see, now you're laughing. You're laughing now. That was like 10 seconds ago. There's a delay there somewhere, guys. But nobody wants to get involved in the vote function. You see that, so lucky you. Because a consensus vote is a consensus vote. So if we had a lot of ones in chat, then yeah, you'd have to call work. A decision. There we go, 1-1. But one vote is not a consensus. One vote is not a consensus. Unless it's on the Tron chain. On the Tron chain, only 1 vote is required, and that's Justin's. He's like, I don't want you on my blockchain. Fuck off. Low. Okay, where we going here? Let's see where we going. We got some stuff to do. I know we got some stuff to do. We start with the league. And preparing, if you ever play that game again, you should log in and maybe claim all your league caches. Your clan caches, boxes. Kestrel League, 15 of 60. Jefferson Trade Center. And here I got Black Tusk disrupted. What's disrupted, guys? Disrupted, is that the electricity? Because we got this in the league. I got applied a disrupt effect to Black Tusks. And over here I have to for the confused effect. What's causing the confused effect? Is that gas? I have God vote. There is no God mode. Confused. What's the confused effect? Because I obviously want some of these points here. If we're playing league stuff anyway. And I'm not sure what's triggering the confused effect. Ah, I know now. I actually do know. Oh, damn. Do I have to go back? Confused. Hang on. I just remembered. Oh, that's the sensor. Do I want to bring the sensor? Yeah. No, let's do the sensor. Hello, I'm back. I forgot something. I have got vote. Oh, remind me to send you that cheat cache for extending the sub, man. I forgot earlier on. I sent that later to you.
Oh, hey.
Shock. I know that the sensor can apply confused, I think. No, that's the mines.
Goodbye.
Oh, come on. Pulse. Is that confused? No, that's EMP effect. This is the disrupt effect. What's launching? Anybody know? What's launching the confused effect? On these people. Burn effect. There must be a mod for confused.
This will never do.
Keeps teasing. In fact, that pattern it's just done in the last few minutes. It did about an hour to a couple of hours ago.
What pattern? Did I miss something? What pattern is it doing?
Last time it got to its high, it had a snap drop and then a pickup, and it's kind of duplicating what it did at about 10 past 4.
10 past 4 yesterday or 10 past 4 today?
No, just that like rise, and a snap drop, and then it's picked it up and it's going right.
Ah, yeah, but these are minor
and then it
profit
rises again
takes.
and goes sideways.
Yes,
Slight upward
but so
trend.
long as every candle, like the bottom of every candle, stays above the last candle, that's insane. Like the top of the candle, the bottom, the next candle starts. If you look at that at the moment here on my chart and the screen at the bottom right as well, guys. Look at the bottom of the candle and where the next one starts and where they stop, and then where the body loses power. The next candle starts and goes up, and then this keeps repeating itself. They're not dropping below the body of the last candle. And I've been doing this for 7 hours straight.
That 4-hour chart you got.
No, that's the 1 hour now.
Okay, cool.
That's the 1 hour. But look at this. You have the body, not the wick. The body, and obviously that's where the next candle begins. And it might drop down, but it doesn't end. It doesn't. The body of the previous candle, of the next candle, never ends below the body of the previous candle. If you look at this, this is so strong. This is blah.
I can see it. It's
You see what I mean
impressive.
there? Look at this. They perfectly align. They're actually perfectly aligning here. Each one of them. And then they close higher. And the next candle, even if it shows some weakness, by the end of the hour, that body just is still above the previous candle. So, I don't know what's... I'm just watching this at the moment, man. 8% later, I'm still watching. Mother! But he can't win every day. I'll just play every day and win. There's always another trade. That's the most important thing. And like we said, spot balance goes up by itself, like, you know. Where do I get distraction? A distraction is not I need this effect. Where do I get this effect from? Anybody, there must be. There must be a mod for one of these. Disrupt. Oh, come on. Anybody know? Come on, guys. Give me a hand here. Somebody Google this. Possible. Huh. Used. Go with the pulse then. At least apply the this.
Later.
Pulse. Hammer. And now we need the mods for it. I'm actually skilled and optimized for explosives, so I'm not sure about the pulse here. But alright. I will try it anyway. Pulse attachment. Skill haste. Yes. Radius, yes.
Please familiarize yourself with the emergency exits.
Cone size 6.2%, yes. Let's take them all. Get rid of the ones we don't want. 7.8% radius. So what's the difference between radius and cone size? Anybody know? Mickey, you know? If I have plus 7.8% radius on something or a 6.2% cone size, what's the difference? Nobody knows. But nobody knows. I don't. Skill haste, effect duration. I think I'm gonna go for effect duration here. I have no clue. I figured. Neither do I. But 7.8 radius worked for me. This one, therefore, I don't need. This one we definitely don't need anymore. And I think we're done. This vest is so awesome. I love this vest. This vest I'm having here. I found it the other day. It's exotic. Plus 170k thousand armor. Plus 8.6% explosive resistance. Plus 4,439 HP armor regeneration. And plus 15.8% incoming repairs. However, incoming repairs, speaking of it, we don't need that right now because function ain't playing. So we're gonna go for burn resistance, I think. Or armor and kill. Yeah, we're gonna go for 15k armor and kill. Put that in there. And let's go. We're done. Let's find us a mission here. Jefferson Trade Center we said earlier on. Be down here. I have no clue. Can we wake me when Bitcoin hits 37,999. Thank you. I did that yesterday with function already. What? Second. No, I just got something apparently. Oh wait, Jefferson Trade Center. Oh, we got 10 already. No, 0 of 10. So what? Oh, I know now. We did manhunt yesterday on this. So the manhunt was kind of blocking the leak sync. Yeah, let's do this. The madness. Yeah, I'm gonna be on a timer here, so let's see. Go.
Last radio contact with Espinosa came from a parking garage close to the shade node. Isaac has the location.
Nice try. What? Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh, the camera is off. Sorry, guys.
Hostile radio intercepted.
We're under attack! Intruders at the east entrance! Then kill them! What the fuck? It's the division! So?
It's not the
Fucking
division,
kill
it's
them.
one division. It's just me.
Look for a way down to the garage and see if you can pick up Espinosa's trail. He tends to leave a mess.
Whoa. Nice try, flashed me.
Reloading!
know. I have no clue. We've played this game so much and some things I still don't know. Amazing. Where are you? Betty? Come on. Really? What are you doing back there?
You're near Espinosa's last known position. The shade node should be close.
I hate being on a timer. I really do. Craziness. Fuck me. No, 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 no. Where the hammer here? Hammer time, hammer time, hammer time. Fuck. There's a problem. Problem.
Changing ammo belt. Fuck you up.
You. Be dead. I think I'm better off with my mortar than with the scanner I brought.
Credentials authenticated.
Damn, my
There should
watch
be a
opens the
terminal that'll
door.
let you
Nice.
reactivate the node.
Oh. Ooh.
Authorization granted. Please stand by.
Please stand by, you're funny.
System analytic computer reactivated. All Isaac subsystems operational.
That was the last step to getting Isaac fully restored locally. But we have a ways to go before we can celebrate. And a missing agent to locate. Continue your sweep of the complex.
8 minutes
Hostile
into it.
radio
Best time would be
intercepted.
14.
Hello? Is this the division?
But that's the
Looking
first.
for
The first
someone?
time limit is
Who is
14,
this?
and then it goes
How are
up.
you on this channel?
Friend of yours
is the
gave me a
rewards,
real nice
obviously.
wristwatch. He's right here. Want to talk to him? If you want him back, we can make a deal. You back off, we'll deliver him unharmed.
Yeah, no deal.
Mostly.
They'll keep him alive. They aren't stupid. Just find that hyena piece of shit and waste her.
Damn, this is extensive. I should have brought my mortar.
Vital signs critical.
Whoa, that was close. That was really close. Oh, you hit me? Where is he? Nobody? Damn, that was intense. Oof. Yeah, I don't know what to make of the pulse here. It's well to adjust, I think. 12 minutes into the mission, let's go. Just here as well.
We go.
What? It's going where? 39.8. Fuck.
39.
Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
I've got minutes to go.
I'm trying to have a good time limit here on that mission. Can we just stop trading for a minute? Can we just hold the market? I want to complete this mission, please. Yeah, shit, I should have blocked my mortar. Fuck, I'm so screwed. Oh, I'm screwed. So, Espinosa is no more. Espinosa got...
He didn't have to die here.
Well, he did have to die. He fell over the side. They're everywhere.
I need some room here.
He jumped down. Fuck.
Keep looking at
That
its
bastard
heels.
can't have gotten far yet. Go after her.
Oh. That's craziness there.
Syndicate, hit it. Shut it down. Trey, run now. Loading.
Ah, you mother. Wow. Oh, fuck! Coming for you, I'm coming for you. Was coming for you. Damn yeah. And it's done. Damn, how much time was that? 7 out of 10. Not bad, not bad. For solo? Hell yeah. Okay, now we can look at Bitcoin again. Give me a second. I need to go to the bathroom as well, guys. Damn. Nice, nice, nice. GG! GG, Grinder, you did it. I didn't think I would survive this. 149 million. Accuracy 41%. I'll be right back, guys. GG, GG. Thank you, Chris. It's craziness, this Bitcoin thing. Wow. The next candle again. Look at this. They starting it right up there again. Let's see what happens. There's so much resistance or so many coins there to be balked. Damn. And Chris, Marzipan X. I got Marzipan X. Marzipan Eier. I'm a grinder, send them over. This is so parabolic, it's just insane. Look at this. Look at this. Yo, any two aces comes in with the 500 manas. Thank you very much. Why we're just here on the browser now? I might as well send you that Gcash from earlier. Let me just switch this here. Crazy. Doesn't even compute anymore. Error, cannot compute Bitcoin price. Seriously. Kid you not. It just doesn't stop. Not even like for a day. Last halving all over again. What? The thing is, there's only tops all the time. I have to add more margin on the top of my of my chart, because even that it's constantly floating up there. It's not really coming down. It's just totally constantly on top of my. And this is. Wow. That's the 4 hour, by the way. Absolutely. And again, if they don't drop lower here, insane. Another $30 million to go here. Someone's buying, right? Gcash at 1K, I don't know, depends how many Gcash you buy. Or on how high Ether goes. The higher Ether goes, the more Gcash is worth, obviously. Don't show me marzipan. Marzipan. Crazy. Gcash. Oh, that code has been claimed for today. Let's do a new one. I'm gonna be quick here. I don't even have that chat open over here. Hang on. Go. And send. What did I send last time? What did we say? How much was that? $500 Gcash, really? Got 9,000 Gcash have been vested. Nice. Boom. Send. So Bitcoin, what are you doing? 39,938. Damn. They're just chewing this up. 408 coins, and they're almost gone. and watch this, guys. This is insane. 120 coins sitting right there. That steps of $10. 350 coins sitting right on 40k here. And on any given day they should bounce here, at least for a little bit. Not like, you know, 20% down or whatever. They should bounce here, absolutely. But the market is like, what do you need? 14 million? There you go. This is fucking crazy. Oh man, watch this, guys. That's so... Meh. Meh. I can't believe they just keep going. And the 400 coins are gone, guys. Here comes 40k. 40k. Boom. Boom. 40k 10. And it's done. I don't know. Really now? I can't believe this, really. I went long. I just went long here. At 14,150. This is ridiculous. Well, not at the moment. Now the RSI is definitely overbought. Now we're definitely overbought and we're heavily overbought. But if they break 40k here just now, this is so parabolic. Can't wait anymore. I have to get in there. And it doesn't matter because we're gonna apply the same as before and logic as before. They have to pull back quite a bit for me to get out of this. Okay, yeah. When they correct, when they trigger here, this should have triggered already. Should have triggered already, ages ago. But yeah, if there is the demand, man, then the market don't care. You know what I mean, Chris? The market don't care if there is demand and there is a company buying $1 billion worth of Bitcoin or whatever. They're buying $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, and when they're done, we're gonna see what's happening. What's gonna happen? 41k is the next 100 coins sitting at 41k here. So be interesting. I'm gonna get so wrecked on this. Don't even know where to put the support in anymore. This time when they stop buying, it's gonna come down to like 38.5 at least. 38.5 is like now, 38.5 is like $18 million away. You know what I mean? This is 2,500 down. Look at this, look at this. You see that? And they're pushing and they're buying. That almost looked like they're gonna take profit now. It's gonna be crazy when they pull back. When they pull back, that's gonna be crazy. Please, let's get back to the game before I get locked out here. I knew it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Here it comes. Fucking hell. Look at it. Oh. It's coming. Here it comes. Mother. Fuck me. Watch this, guys. I hate being right. Sell this. Sell this. Here it comes. Here it comes. In the game for free, right? Boom. Damn, 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 damn. Come on, sell this.
Black Tusk.
Black Tusk, blah blah, what? Leave me alone, game. Look at this, they're already picking it up again. Go, go, go. The thing is, there's no reference. Oh, come on. Push this down, baby. 38 would be nice.
Safe area detected.
Bro, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, give me this. 38.5. 167 coins sitting on 38. 12 million to 38. Come on, baby.
There we go, dropping.
He comes in, dropping. Yeah, me, I couldn't wait anymore. At 40k I went long. Look at them selling and buying here. They're gonna pick this up so fast when they're done. Come on, come on. Look at that jumping.
Damn, man.
12 million to 38. Come on, don't bounce the 38. Or bounce the 38, I don't care, but hit the 38. 10 million. Look at them buying and selling. Dudes. Oh, come on, come on. Wow. Millions of orders being triggered here. What?
Buys, man. People are not going to let this fall too far.
Hence, way too early. Buying way too early. Why would you buy before 38?
As if you're some hedge fund that don't want to miss out.
Oh, he set an order. Put a condition in. Could get interesting. Exactly 5%. 5.3 dropped it. I think they're gonna do a 10% here. Damn! Wait for the second wave here. Let's see what happens on the second wave. Yeah, they hit exactly the 38 too. They bounced right here at 10 million support. This is awesome. Whoops. That was excellent. I'm watching for 3 hours going up and then a 40k
Detected.
and go like,
Near
well,
my
fuck
location.
this.
Guarded by hostiles.
They're not selling. They should be selling. And they did. Ah. Let's see what happens here. Very far. Somehow we have a huge delay today. I wonder if it's restream. Watching my stream on the other side, and to me it appears things on the stream happen a lot later. What? Wow, I thought you have been playing and the stream just refreshed with the chart. No, that's why